Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve these simplifications with a speed that required for our exams. Here it is 16 2 by 3 percentage, which is nothing but 1 by 6 into this is 8 1 by 3%, which is nothing but 1 by 12, 11.11%, which is nothing but 1 by 9, and this is 31752, and this will be x power 1 by 3 into 7. First we will divide this with the 7 4 times 28, and 37 means 5 times 25 means 3 times 42 means 6 times. So we got this one, and here is 9 table 9 5 times 0 and 4 times 12 4 times 2 times 6 7 times. So we get x power 1 by 3 equals to 7 means x value will be 7 cube 343. So answer will be 343, option E. Next, here this is 4176 divided by 18, and this 928 here, and then this 32 on the top equals to x square minus 56. Here 18 2 times 36 and 3 times and 2 times. So 232 into 32 by 928. 232 4 times 4 8 times. So this comes instead with plus x square equals to 56 plus 8 will be 64. So answer x will be 8. Option C, third one. Here first we will see this with the third question. Here it is 17 divided by 273 into 208 divided by 136. 17 8 times will be 136 into 21 by 12. Okay, 826 times will be 208. Okay, next one is 13 2 times 26 and 120. 13 2 times 21 cancel 2 6 times. So we get 1 by 6 here. 15% of x, 15 by 100 x minus this will be 17 by 6. 17 by 6 comes instead with 18 by 6 means 3 equals to 15. 5 times by 100 x. So x value will be 520 times. So answer will be 20. Option A is our answer. Next question. 31 square 961 minus 80 means 881. 881 minus 20 into 2 40 minus 40 means 841. Root over 841, which will be 29 by 256, which will be 16 plus this will be 22. So we get 29 divided by 838 goes to x by 19. 19 2 times 2 14.5 times. So answer will be option B, 14.5. Next question. Here it will be 25 into root over 1025 which will be 32. Here we have 20. 5 4 times 5 5 times 4 8 times 8 5 times will be 40. So we get 40 equals minus x 4460. We have this one. So x value will be 4420. This is the answer. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. It is 210 and we need to get 29. 14 15 times will be 210 and roots will be in positive. Okay, plus 14 and plus 15 are the roots here. Here 126. 126 means I know 126 as 14 9 times. We get 5. Okay, here minus and minus means plus and minus. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Okay, next here x square is equals to 136 1369 1369, which is nothing but 37 square plus 37 and minus 37 comes here. it is 15 21 under root, means y value will be 39. So by comparing these two, x is lesser than y. Next question. Here it is 600. 600 means 1540 times. So 5 into 3 into 8 into 5. 5 times 25, 8 3 times 24. We get 49. So the roots are plus 25 and plus 24. Here y cube equals to 9835 plus 5790. It will be 5, 2, 16, 10, 15, 15625, which is nothing but y value will be plus 25. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, fourth question. First we need to multiply this with 10. 10x square plus 27x plus 18 equals to 0. 180, 10 into 118, 180, 180, we need to get 27, 15, 7, 15, 12 times, and the roots are negative. Here we need to multiply this with the 10. 10 y square plus 39y plus 35 equals to 0. We need to get 350. 350 means, let's write this as 7 5 times. This is 5 2 times. So 25 and 14, we get 39. So the roots are negative. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y and x is lesser than y. So no relation can be established between them. Next, fifth question. 75 divided by x power 3 by 4 equals to x power 1 by 4 into 15. 15, 5 times 75. This comes this side with into. So 5 equals to x power 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which will be 4 by 4, means x power 1, which will be x value is equals to 5. Here y square equals to divided by 44 into 11. Y square will be 44 into 11 will be 4, 4, sum of these two, 8. This is the answer for y square. So y value will be 22, plus 22 and minus 22. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that this 5 comes in between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x is lesser than y. No relation established in between these two equations. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Here it is 10,000. The difference between these two is 10,000. Here the difference between these two is 1,000. Here the difference between these two is 100. So here the difference must be 10. Here the difference must be 1, but we don't see the same. This is the wrong one. 390 minus 1, which will be 1389. This is our right number and this is our wrong number. Let's see second question. Here it is slightly increasing, so we'll check the differences. Here the difference is 1, 2 and 1, 121, which will be 11 square. Here the difference is 5, 4, 1. Here the difference is 8, 6, 1. Here the difference is 6, 9, 1. It is also square, 14 square. This is 11 square. Here the difference is 5, 2, 2, 15 square. So these two numbers are wrong numbers. We know that this is 12 square and this is 13 square. 144 and 169. So wrong number is this one. Next question. Here it is into 4 times. And this is also into 4 times. This is plus 5. So it means it must be plus 5. 2 plus 5 will be 7. 7. Next one will be 4 times. 7 4 times will be 28. So our wrong number is 8. Next, fourth one. Here these numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 8, 1, 2, near to 6 cube. Here it is 8 and 2. Okay, it is near to 5 cube or 5 square. Okay, let's see this one. Here the difference is 6 and 6, 66. 4 cube. Okay, 6 cube plus 216. Cube will be 216 and 2. Here 5 square plus 3. This is 4 cube plus cube, we add 2. Okay, 66. Okay, here the difference is 1 and 1, but we need to get 3 square plus 3, which will be 9 plus 3 12. This is not 12, and here the difference is also 11. We need to get 2 cube plus 2, so 2 cube 8 plus 2 10. It is not 10, so wrong number will be 16. Next, minus and positive, so we'll do with the differences. Here the difference is 2 4 and 4. Here the difference is 5 8 4. Here the difference is 9 2 5. I know this number as square number. Here this is 6 7 and 5. It is also square number. Here the difference is 5 2 and 6. It is also square number. 25 square. This is 24 square. This is 23 square. So it must be 22 square and it must be 21 square. These two numbers are wrong numbers. So our wrong number is 470. Now we are going to see missing number series. Here it is the difference here is 0. Here the difference is minus 2 plus 5 7. Here the difference is plus 4 2 1. I seen this as 5 cube minus 1. This is 2 cube minus 1. This is 1 square or 1 cube minus 1. Let's take it as a square. 1 square minus 1. Here 2 cube minus 1. Here 3 square minus 1. 9 minus 1 8. 7 1. Here plus minus, this must be plus. This will be, and the next one must be 4 cube minus 1. No, it is not forming sequence, so it must be square cubes. So 3 cube 27 minus 1 26 plus 26. 1718 plus 26 will be 1744 is our answer. 1744, option B is our answer. Next question. Here these numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference between these two numbers is 7 1 and 2 217. Here the differences is 5 5 and 2. Here the difference is 4 0 3. We don't understand. Let's go with the further difference. Here the difference is 49. Okay, 49, which is 7 square. So let's take a decreasing order prime numbers, odd numbers. 5 square, which will be 25. So 225 minus 25 will be 220 220 230. 230 plus 25 will be 255. So the difference between these two is 230. 230 means here 2497 and 230 means we get 7 6 and 2 2 2267, and the difference between these two will be 1 2 and 2. Let's see the differences here. Here the difference is 9, which will be 3 square. Here the difference is 4, which will be 2 square. So these are prime squares, and we got the answer 2267, which will be option C is our answer. Next question. Here every 2 digits after the point everywhere. So let's forget the point here. the difference between these two will be 60. Here the difference between these two will be 360. Okay, here the difference between these two will be 0, 6, 4. All are 60s here, so this must be 160 and this must be 260. So 1806 plus 160, which will be 6691. 19.66 is our answer, option C. Next one. Here these numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 64. These two are square numbers. Let's see this one. It is 100. So 10 square, 8 square. 2 square means the next one must be 4 square. The next one must be 6 square. 36 and 4 square, 16. 74 plus 16 will be 90. So 90 will be our answer. Option B is our answer. Next question. 46 becomes 23 means half of this times into 0.5 times will be 23. 23 becomes 34.5. Odd number becomes 0.5 means into 1.5 times. 23 plus half of this one means 11.5. 5, 4, 34.5. So it is 1.5 times. So it must be 0.5. 1.5 means this must be into 2.5 times. 34 2 times will be 68 and 1 69. Half of this one 17.25. 25 6 8 60.725. Okay, this is also true. So the next one must be into 3.5. So we'll see 86.25 into 3, which will be 75. 863 times 18, see 24, 25, 258. So half of 8625, half means 43.125, it will be 578.103. 301.875 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. First question, the flow from U to N. Here from U we can reach to M, from M we can reach to N. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from R to M, from R, which is nothing but U, from U we can reach to M, from M we can reach to N. Okay, wait a second, we need to reach from R to M. From R we can reach to U, from U we can reach to M, but there is equal to also here. So second conclusion will be false. Next, second question, the flow from L to I, from L we can reach to K, but none of the other. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from T to D with everywhere equal to also. From T there is no flow, so second conclusion will be false. Okay, let's see question 3. The flow from T to N, from T we can have to reach up to V but not to N, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from B to I with everywhere equal to also. From B we can reach up to V but not to I, so second conclusion is also false. Let's see here, N and B are equal, T and I are equal, so T is greater, T is lesser, T is equal to, so it is either or case, either 1 or 2 is the answer for the third question, because here T is nothing but I. So in the first conclusion we can replace T as I greater than, N as B. Second conclusion will be B greater than or equals to I. In this case B is greater, B is equal to, B is lesser, and we have other one is I. Both the cases are individually false. So all the three symbols comes in between these two, so it is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this one. Let's see third question. Fourth question, the flow from W to H. From W we can reach up to H, but everywhere there is equal to also, but here there is no equal to. So first conclusion will be false. In the second conclusion, it's saying that equal to between H and W. Individually this case also fails, but combining these two we have W greater than or equals to H, and we have the same flow, the W to H, the flow is there and there is equal to also. So by combining these two symbols we got the same flow which is given in our question. So it is also either or case, either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. Next, fifth question, the flow from B to Z. From B we can reach to Z, so first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from X to A. From X we can reach up to Z but not to A, so second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. First question, only a few cat is dog, only a few dog is rat, all rat is rabbit, all rat is rabbit. Let's see conclusions. Some cat is not rabbit. We check all cat can be rabbit. All cat inside rabbit. Can we place that all cat inside rabbit? It is possible. Possible diagram is possible means all case possible here. All case is true means some not case will be false. So first conclusion will be false. Next, all dog being rabbit is a possibility. All dog can be placed inside rabbit. Yes, it is possible. Second conclusion will be true. Next, second question, only chairs are tables. So tables is inside a chairs, and table doesn't share with anything except the chairs. Some chairs are sofa, some chairs are sofa, no sofa is bed. Conclusion, some chair is not bed. We check all chairs can be placed inside bed. All chairs can be placed inside bed. No, because T doesn't share anything, does not share anything except chair. So all chair cannot be placed inside B. So all case fails. Means our conclusion first one, some not case will be true. Second conclusion, all chairs are sofa. It is direct conclusion. Here all chairs is not sharing with the sofa. It is sharing only some part. So this conclusion will false. Second conclusion will be false. Let's see third question. Only a few lion is tiger. Okay. No tiger is a leopard. All leopard is fox. Let's see conclusion. Some fox is not tiger. We check all fox can be inside tiger. All fox can be inside tiger. No, it is not possible because of no relation between tiger and Leo. So all case fails. Means first conclusion will be true. Some not case will be true. Second conclusion, some lion is not leopard. We check all lion can be placed inside leopard. All lion can be placed inside leopard. No, because tiger and Leo leopard does not share. So all case fails in the second conclusion also. So our conclusion, second conclusion will be true. Let's see fourth question. Okay, fourth question is only a few book is pen. Some pen is pencil. No pencil is eraser. Let's see conclusions. All book can be pen. All book can be placed inside pen. Is it possible? No, because some part of books cannot be shared with pen. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some pen is eraser. It is direct conclusion. Pen is here and eraser is here. There is no direct relation in our basic Venn diagram. So this case fails. Next, fifth question. Only a few nose is ear. Some ear is not legs. Some ear is not legs. All legs is finger. Let's see conclusions. Some nose is not legs. We check all nose can be legs. All nose inside leg. Is it possible? Yes, we can place inside legs because here some ears is not a relation with the legs, but we can share all n inside legs. So all case is possible here. All case possible means first conclusion, some not case will false. Second conclusion, some fingers is not ears. We check all fingers can be inside ears. All fingers can be inside ears. Yes, it is possible. We can place L here and F here, but this part is not sharing with L. We can place a L inside here. So all case is possible here. All case possible means some not case will be fails. I am going to give you 3 minutes of time to solve this puzzle. After 3 minutes, I am going to solve it. We are going to see a previous year reasoning puzzle. Previous year asked reasoning puzzle. Six persons live on different floors of a building where the ground floor is numbered 1 and the topmost floor is 6. So okay. So first we will write 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. And said that each of them likes different subjects. Okay. Persons and subjects. Person and subject. We will take possibilities. Person and subjects. Next one, persons and subjects. We'll take three possibilities in case there are two variables. Okay. The first one, the one who likes civics lives immediately above Guhar's floor. Let's note these in rough statements. The one who lives civics, likes civics. Civics is the subject. Lives immediately above Guhar. Guhar is a person. Immediately above is civics. Okay, first statement is this one. Two persons live between Guhar and Chahar. Gauhar and Chahar. There is two persons in between them. So this is the representation. Next one. Manan lives on odd number floor and likes physics. Let's start this with in our puzzle. Manan lives in odd number floor. So odd number means this one. Manan here, and he likes physics. So this is one possibility. Another possibility is this one. Manan likes physics. Another possibility place is here. Manan likes physics. Okay. Next one. Three persons live between Manan and Gauhar. So 1, 2, 3. This is place for Gauhar. 1, 2, 3. There is no possible. So this case fails. These two case. This case fails. Next we will see here. 1, 2, 3. This is place for Gauhar. Okay. Next. In the question, the one who likes biology lives on even numbered floor above Chahar. Above Chahar. Above Chahar. The one who likes biology. Okay. Next, the one who likes chemistry lives above the one who likes geography. Above geography, the one who likes chemistry. Okay. Next one. Ishika lives on odd numbered floor above Trisha. Above Trisha, Ishika. Ishika lives in odd number floor. Okay. Now we need to find the solutions. Here the next one is Yashashvi lives 3 floors above the one who likes history. Above history, how many persons? 3 floors above means 1, 2. Third one is nothing but Yashashvi. Okay. Now we need to find the solution for our puzzle. Let's start with here we have Gauhar. Gauhar immediately above person subject will be civics. This is civics place. This case fails. So in this case it is civics place. Okay. We got a Gauhar and we have Gauhar and Chahar. In between there is two persons. So 1, 2. This is Chahar. Chahar. In this case, uh, here it is Gauhar means 1, 2. This is Chahar. So we got Chahar also. Next we have Chahar above person likes below biology. Chahar's above likes biology. In this case, uh, it will comes possibilities. So we'll check this one first. Ishika and Trisha. Ishika in odd number floor. So here the left odd one will be this one, which is Ishika. Ishika is above Trisha, so it is place for Trisha. And now we left with only one name here, which is Yashashvi. Yashashvi means 2 below. The next one will be history. 1, 2. This one is history. So we left with chemistry and geography. The top one is chemistry and the below one is geography. So we got our puzzle. We don't need to check this one. We don't need to check this puzzle. Let's see the questions asked. Okay. First question, who among the following likes geography? Geography liked by Gauhar. First one answer will be option B, Gauhar. Okay, second question. How many persons live below the one who likes biology? Below biology, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 persons. Option B is our answer. Next, third question. Ishita likes, which is Ishika. Ishika likes which of the following subject? Ishika likes history. So option D is our answer. Next, Yashashvi lives on which of the following floor? Yashashvi lives in floor number 6. So answer will be option C, 6th floor.